Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am decorating my dashboard planner, which is my social media planner for the week of June 14th through the 20th. And I, like always, am starting out by whiting out all of the different areas that have the different titles of the separate sections. So a dashboard planner has one side of the weekly view, and then the other page has a section of lots of different lists and compartments where you can just either decorate the whole thing or have lots of different areas to write or all sorts of different things. That's why I really love the dashboard planner and the dashboard layout. So I'm using a pretty old sticker book. This is Squad Goals. And I'm using, obviously, the summer section. And I'm really excited. This is just such a cute sticker book. Has so many different cute girls all hanging out outside and doing summer stuff. I thought this would be a good theme to do for this week, since this weekend we're going to our best friend's house. And she just got a pool. So we're going to be outside and in our bathing suits and not necessarily on any pool floats or anything, but I still thought it would be super cute. So that's why I'm doing this theme. It's also going to be summer this upcoming weekend. Like, it's officially going to be summer. So I wanted to kind of celebrate with this spread. And so I did like these girls down at the bottom. One's pushing like an ice cream cart, and then the other girls are kind of like hanging outside with their sunglasses on, and one's laying under the umbrella on her towel and all sorts of stuff. And then I did this like sunscreen, or not sunscreen, what in the world? Sunglasses border. And then above that, I'm going to do kind of, well, I honestly would have liked to have a blue background. And I really considered to just use the background on the stickers, the sheet itself. But when I start to pull it up, the stickers come out, and then lining them up, I don't know, I just thought it would have been difficult, but I don't know. I just kept going back and forth. So I did it this way, either way. So it's done. So I wanted to kind of have some going off of the page and some overlapping. And then I obviously still need the functionality of my social media planner, where I have a list for to-dos and edits, like for videos and video ideas, and then stories. Like, I have lots of different lists that I do in my social media planner. So it needs to be a good mix of decorative stickers or like decorative areas mixed with where I can have different lists. So that was kind of the thought process when I'm laying all these down and so on and so forth. So this square sticker that says remember, I thought would be good for like a little list of edits. So I wanted to lay down this blue float sticker and then layer that remember over top of it. And then after I finish the spread is when I go in and I write everything in. I've been having a few different requests of me to write in, like show a lot more after the pen videos. But to be honest, I've lately been going live to do my after the pens on Instagram. So maybe I can 1 week do on camera for YouTube and then 1 week on camera on live. But I'm just trying to mix things up and be able to show to all the different areas because not everybody is on Instagram. That's why I want to share on YouTube, and then not everyone is on YouTube, which is why I want to share on Instagram. So let me know in the comments below where you prefer to see all the content and where you prefer to watch the videos. I think it would be cool to do a video where I make the before the pen and the after the pen all in one. So maybe that could be something cool that I do. I'm always trying to find different ideas of videos and create content that you guys actually want to see, because if I'm just doing what I want to do and you guys don't actually like it, there's no point in, putting in all the effort of filming and editing and posting and everything if it's not something that you guys necessarily want to see. So that's why I really, really encourage you guys to let me know in the comments below different things that you would really, really love to see, and maybe things that you can share with others. That helps out a lot for you guys to copy the link and send to other people. I also share it on my Facebook page, the Simply Megan Plans Facebook page, if you guys want to check that out. I'm trying to get better at posting on there a lot more frequently. I've, kind of been hit or miss with it, but a lot of people are still, mostly using Facebook as well. So there's just lots of different areas. So also wanted to mention, if you guys use these stickers, try to remember to use your Mambi sticks as well. After I finished the spread is when I remembered that I had those big, huge Mambi sticks, sticker sheets that had the same redhead girl on the donut, and then there's one that's called, or it was like a big quote, and then one of the girls under the umbrella. Like, I was sad I didn't get to put that on the page, but it's fine. Okay, now it is all complete. I went ahead and punched the pages for any stickers that were overlapping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.